Hi everyone, my name is Rena and I'm just going to do a quick video of how to make a Vroid character look albino. Obviously there's different types of albino. There's Caucasian, Asian, and Hispanic, Black, you name it. There's all different types of albino type of people. So my client wanted me to make a Black person that was albino. So the easiest ways to do this is first remove the standard hair that comes with it, so make them bald. And then all the other features to make a person look albino really does come to like the face structure. Like you have to design your own character. Like I said, it depends on what kind of albino person you're going for. So to make a person look albino, you're going to go into textures, go into skin. So we're going to start off with their face. So I've already made this character, so I'm just going to go through a quick overview of how I did this. So I copied, duplicated the default texture. I did a color dodge, so that's lightening their skin. So as you can see on their scalp, this is what it originally started off as, and this is what they are now. And then this is my own character flair. I decided to give them like a nose bridge and a nose like that. And I just drew in these lips as a placeholder, so I know what I'm doing for like lipstick. Yes, since you did make them bald, you do have to draw in a new hairline. So I went into a photo editing software such as GIMP, and I created this hairline like this. And then to make it more detailed, I added in lipstick. And then, of course, I added in some baby hairs just to like finish off the face. Okay, so that is how the face looks. So now we still have to change the body. So for the body, I basically followed the same steps. I went to texture, I went to their body, I duplicated the default image and changed it to color dodge, which is down there at the corner. And then once that was completed, her scalp is still going to be bald. So you need to change that. Over here, you're going to have to draw in your own hairs. So once again, go to some kind of image editing software and draw in what you want your hair to look like. And that's pretty much it. And then obviously, just to make the facial features more related to the type of person you're trying to design, obviously you would go into your design of the facial structure. I'm in body right now, but go into design the facial structure and then play around with the settings until you get a image that you're happy with. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll probably add in a really quick compilation of how I created all these textures. If I did film that, I'm not really sure. I probably did, but I can't remember. But yeah, hope that helps and have a good one. Bye.